In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your OneDrive account. Whether you're looking to streamline your digital storage or simply moving on to a different service, deleting your OneDrive account is a straightforward process, but one that requires a few thoughtful steps to ensure it's done correctly and securely. First, before we dive into the deletion process, it's important to back up all your data. This step is crucial if you have files stored in your OneDrive that you might want to access in the future. You can do this by simply downloading all the files to your local computer or transferring them to another cloud storage service. Taking the time to ensure that all your important data is saved will provide peace of mind and prevent any headaches down the line. Once you have your data backed up, the next move is to access your OneDrive account. Open your web browser and navigate to the OneDrive website. Sign in with your account credentials if you're not already logged in. It's helpful to also check that you're connected to the correct account, especially if you manage multiple Microsoft accounts. With access to your account, now we can prepare it for deletion. You should start by ensuring that your OneDrive is as empty as possible. Delete any unnecessary files or content you're sure you don't need. This will help maintain control over any data that should not remain stored, even after your account is terminated. Next, you'll need to cancel any subscriptions related to OneDrive. This could include specific plans you might be paying for, and is an important step to avoid unwanted charges from renewing subscriptions. You can manage your subscriptions through the Microsoft Account dashboard. Simply log into your Microsoft account, find that Services Subscriptions tab, and follow the instructions to cancel any OneDrive-related services. After ensuring all is in order and you're ready to delete the account, it's time to access the account closure settings. Go to the Microsoft Account Closure webpage. Here, you'll be prompted to sign in again for security purposes. You'll find options and instructions for permanently closing your Microsoft account. Following these directions will lead to the final step of the process. Bear in mind that Microsoft provides a grace period of 30 to 60 days before permanently deleting your data. This means that if you change your mind, there's a window where you can recover your account and all associated data. During this time, your account remains inactive, with no data being affected. With these steps, your OneDrive account should be successfully on its way to closure. Remember, the final deletion is irreversible, so ensure everything is backed up and double-check that this is the right choice for you. Whether it's a fresh start or a necessary cleanup, following these steps will ensure your OneDrive account is deleted efficiently and securely.